somebody's driveway and unfold the wings and have an airplane in there driving and then wonder how it got there. The truth is, until the vehicle flies, 75% of your risk is that first flight. We flew, yes!
That was gorgeous.
What do you think of that, huh? That looked beautiful from up here, I tell you.
Fantastic. That was the most beautiful little flight I've ever seen.
A Woburn company has unveiled the world's first flying car.
Move over, Jetsons, the ultimate fix to rush hour traffic.
Tonight, the car we all dreamed about as kids is a reality.
The Terra Fugia Transition, and it could be coming to a skyway near you.
We've got a steering wheel for driving, a gas pedal, a brake pedal. Then for flying, we've got a control stick, rudder pedals.
Look at that. You know what? I got to tell you something. That's pretty cool.